Hello, new random canopy employee. Welcome to the Biolab. The Biolab is a place where you need to keep monsters' experiments in check. Now, I got these two puppets. This is a monster, or some experiment, and this would be you. So, in this case scenario, you would be watching the cameras. This is a worst case scenario, actually. And there would be a monster right in front of you. And you have no, plan or anything to escape with. You try to defend, but the monster would kill you. Gone. But you would not need to worry about that, because you have all the tools you need to defend yourself from things like this happening. Now, I want you to imagine yourself in a lab. You'll be working on these experiments, and then in the night, you will be watching them so they don't escape. Canopy owns you. You don't leave. So if you are willing to give your soul to Canopy and spend the rest of your life here without leaving, then come on, please join us. We'll have a blast. Now, employee, I'm gonna give you in on a little secret. So, we have crowbars. Crowbars specifically to break this glass. And if you want to break this glass, you gotta smack it. And the reason why you want to break the glass is so you can get to work. Now, employee, now that the glass has been broken, I will show you where to. But now, as yet again, you very high up, you need an algorithm to jump down. Because if you don't have that on.